Hey guys, little update video on the Comanche. This intro is a little different because, as you can tell, the Comanche is no longer in the back of the yard. It's now in the front, next to my Ranger, right here in the driveway. So this is a very big milestone, almost 9 months to date. Let me give her a little cranksy. Not only does the Comanche run, I installed the new clutch today, and now she drives. The brakes work beautifully. Everything works as it should. This manual steering is not helping. Trying to drive and film on one hand. But yeah, let's take her around the block. Yeah, quick little tour around the block. Brakes work phenomenally. Things I do gotta go through that I gotta fix. For one, I gotta fix the speedometer. For some reason it's not reading right. It probably has something to do with the speedometer cable. It's either not hooked up properly in the back of this, or somewhere along out from the transfer case is not hooked up properly. So I still gotta do that. I gotta fix the steering. There is some play in the steering. There's like a fairly decent sized dead spot in the steering where you can move it back and forth and the car will still keep going straight. What else I gotta do? The emergency brake cables, the ones I got after doing the rear disc brake swap, were too long, so I gotta order the Comanche size ones so that I could do that. I still gotta fix the AC. The AC turns on, it doesn't turn on cold here in South Florida. AC is like a must. The stereo, still gotta do that. Door speakers, interior, headliner. But this is all kind of nonsense after considering it took me 9 months to get this thing driving after doing everything I did to it. 4x4 conversion, the AX15 swap in behind the 4-cylinder, the Chrysler 8 1/4 rear axle swap that I did, the spring over conversion, the lift kit, the steering conversion. Almost everything I did to this thing has been like 100%. Brake lines, everything. We're not leaking any fluid. The Comanche is going strong. Still got to put in the tail lights. I still got to do all the body work to paint it. But yeah, everything's going good. We're not leaking. 8 1/4 rear end. Still gotta fix some of this rust back here. But all in all, it's going good.